Namaste and welcome. In today's Yoga Nidra session, we will practice being the observer. Please lie down in a restful position on your back, in your bed, or on a soft mat. Make any final adjustments now. Feel free to use a blanket. Place a pillow under your knees and ensure that your spine feels long and neutral. As you settle, close your eyes and let the weight of the day begin to drain into the floor. Science shows that a technique called Cognitive Defusion, the ability to see your sensations as separate from your identity, is one of the most powerful tools for deep sleep. When you say, "I am tired," your brain identifies with the fatigue, creating a state of lack and stress. But when you shift your internal language and say, "I observe tiredness in this body," you dissociate. You create a space of peace. In yoga, this unchanging silent witness is called the Purusha, or the seer, the one who sees. It is the part of you that is never asleep, the part that never tires and is never anxious. Take a deep, slow breath in, and as you exhale, imagine your body becoming 10% heavier. Bring your attention to the physical shell of your body. Imagine you are standing in the corner of the room, watching yourself lie down. See the body like a garment or a piece of cloth that you have taken off for the night. Now bring your awareness to your feet, and without changing anything, notice the tingling, the heaviness, maybe some warmth. Simply notice it as something that is happening in the body. Without moving your body again, shift your awareness to your hands, your palms, your fingers. Feel the pulse of life there. Bring your attention to your chest. Observe the rhythm of your breath. It moves on its own, like a wave hitting a shore. You don't have to do the breathing. The body is breathing on its own. You are the silent witness, watching the life force move in and out. Now shift your focus to the screen of your mind, the space behind your closed eyelids. Thoughts appear, images from the day float by. Do not jump into the river of these thoughts. Stay on the bank and watch them pass like clouds, moving across a vast, unchanging sky. If a feeling of tiredness arises, notice it. Observe the fog of sleepiness rolling in. You are the sky. The fog is just the weather. The sky remains untouched, vast, and silent. Find stability that remains even when the body is exhausted. Rest in the safety of your own awareness. There is nothing to fix, nothing to solve. Feel the boundaries of your physical body beginning to blur. The heaviness of the limbs, the softness of the face, the stillness of the mind. You are drifting deeper and deeper into the center of your mind. Your body is now entering a state of deep restorative rest. The muscles have surrendered. The nervous system has shifted into complete repair. Your witness remains steady, safe, and quietly present. As we conclude this session, try to stay still. Stay in this cocoon of awareness. Let the sounds around you fade into the background. Let my voice fade into the silence. You are whole, and you are the observer. Drift now into the silent union of deep, dreamless sleep. Until next time, Namaste.